Welcome to RediX. In this video, how to install TWRP on any Android. We will install on Samsung Galaxy Grand Duos. First, download official TWRP app from PlayStore. Take backup of current recovery. Choose recovery folder to back up. Select model of your device and TWRP version. Warning! Do not try to flash recovery of other devices, or you could break your phone or lose original recovery. Download the file. Find the file from download folder.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me
Select it.
where the stars are bright.
Click OK. Now go to recovery mode to check. If you didn't find your device in the list, then comment below. We will try to find it for you. TWRP is properly installed. Subscribe to RediX now.